Hello guys, it's me again, Julie. So now I'm gonna teach you how to merge an account in QuickBooks Online. Alright, so in QuickBooks Online, merging an account is a common practice when there are duplicates or two accounts that are being used for the same thing. But you have to take note that the merging process is permanent and cannot be reversed. So any transactions in merged accounts are also merged and will appear under one category in reports. So to successfully merge an accounts, you have to remember that the account name, account type, and the detail type must also and all be the same. All right, so let me show you a sample. So this is a sample of an account name that has the same account name, the same account type, and the same detail type. So these are the accounts that you can merge in QuickBooks Online. And also, you have to remember that you can also merge a sub accounts that are under the same parent account. Take note, it has to be under the same parent account. But you have to do this in assuring that they have the same also account type, account name, and also the detail type. And also the sub account type must be identical to the parent account type, like this one. All right, so this is a sample of sub account in QuickBooks Online. So we have here the name reports account name. So this is the parent account, and these two computer repairs account name are the sub accounts. So they have the same account name and both under in the same parent and have the same account type and the same detail type. So this is a sample of a sub account that you can merge in QuickBooks Online. Alright, so now let me show you how to merge an account in QuickBooks Online. Let's go here in our practice account. So to do that, let's go here on our gear icon next. Click the chart of accounts, and all you have to do is to find the account to be merged. And as you can see here, we have here listed 250 accounts in our chart of accounts. And for us to easily find the account name that we will going to merge, all we have to do is to filter it by name. So let's go here on the filter section. All you have to do is to type the account name to be merged. So for example, we will going to merge the account name of accounting. So we have here the accounting. So let's check first the report. So let's run the reports. Let's check the transactions in this reports. All right. So in our accounting name, we have here two transactions only listed here in our accounting reports. All right. So let's remember this one, that the accounting has only two transactions listed in the reports, and we have to go merging these two, like for example, let's see, bookkeeper. All right, so we have here the bookkeeper. So the bookkeeper has the account name of bookkeeper, the account type of expenses, detail type, legal, and professional fees. All right, let's go back to accounting. Let's check if they have the same. All right, so also the accounting has the same account type with the bookkeeper and the same detail type with the bookkeeper. And but you can notice that the accounting and bookkeeper has different account name, but you have to remember that bookkeeper or bookkeeping is also part of the accounting process, so you can also merge that two accounts. All right, so let's check. Let's go back here to bookkeeper. Let's try run the report. All right, so in the bookkeeper section, we have only one transaction listed on the report. All right, dated January 2023. All right, so now let's go merging the two accounts. So all you have to do is type here the accounting. All right, so here in the action column, drop down menu, click edit, and then here on our edit panel section, we have here the account name. All you have to do is to highlight this one and then copy. So you can right click and then select copy, or simply control C on your keyboard, and then after that just cancel. Then go back here to the filter section and then input here bookkeeper. So we have here the bookkeeper, same process, select here, drop down menu, and then edit. So here in the account name, just highlight this one and then paste here the one that you copied before. So let us select or copy the accounting name on our account name, and then select save when you're done. So as you can see here, QuickBooks Online prompts in a notification saying you already have an account with that name. Would you like to merge the two? So you simply click this, yes, merge accounts. Alright, so after that, just select save. Alright, so as you can see here in our chart of accounts, bookkeeper account name has already gone in our chart of accounts. Alright, let us check the accounting account name. So accounting. Alright, so we have here the accounting. Let's try run the report. Alright, so as you can see here in our accounting reports, we have now 3 transactions listed on the report. As you can remember earlier, when we check the accounting report, it has only 2 transactions listed here. But after we merge the account of the bookkeeper transaction is now listed here on the accounting report. So we have here the August 2023 transaction that came from our bookkeeper account name. So that means that we have successfully merged the two accounts in our QuickBooks Online. Alright, so that's how easy to merge an account in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching.